shouldn't be, and I hope that people come this Best of Question Time podcast. Don't forget to subscribe so you know when we release a new episode. We in normal times.
Afternoon. So it's Friday, 2nd of January. So this is going to be my first wild camp of 2026, and I'm parked up at Glenridge car park. I'm actually in the EV bay as well. I've plugged the car in to charge on the pod point, so I'll leave that to charge. It'll take probably about 7 or 8 hours to do that, so I'll just leave it overnight. I don't think anybody else is going to come after 4 o'clock wanting to charge the car, so yeah, quite exciting. So forecast looks pretty good. Temperature looks about -6. It did say it feels about -16, but I can't see that. I'm heading up to Red Tarn near Helvellyn, so I'd imagine on the top it would be quite cold and blustery, but I'm going to camp by the tarn. I have no aspirations of getting to the peaks. I'm just happy to find somewhere nice, somewhere near water, and just chillax for a couple of hours and have a good time. But I'll check in on the way up. About an hour and 20 minutes since I left the car, and just taking it easy really. Feel the chill now. We're not a million miles from that top just up there, and just plateau out onto Red Tarn. I can certainly feel the wind chill even at this, so it's going to be breezy for the tarn. God knows what it's going to be like on the summit, but I'm not going there anyway. It's forecast, did say feels like -16 on the top of Helvellyn, so anybody up there today on the 2nd of January 2026, then good luck. But I'll be camping a bit lower down with a nice bottle of Rioja and some Christmas cake. And, beautiful, absolutely stunning. If you look at that bit behind me over there, probably the camera probably doesn't do it justice in terms of the light coming out over the hills. The forecast is as it was predicted so far. Touch base later on when I've got the temp pitched up. So it's about 7 o'clock. Set to have a get in the down sleeping bag for about an hour. So I defrost myself, absolutely freezing. I need to get Bailey tucked up. So I just fed him. And it is really cold out there. I've just literally got outside the tent just to tighten up the guys because everything was just collapsing in. But it is freezing out there. It's about must be about -6. So I'll check on the temperature later. So I'm just gonna some noodles. Got some wine to have. And then we settle down for the night, just get everything sorted out. I love the Otimos Nomad light tent, but I just keep coming back to the fact, do I need more space in winter? Great in summer because you're outside the tent and everything for a long period of time, so you're just sleeping in it. But winter, I'm not quite sure. But it was really gusting before, and it just held up really well, to be honest. It's frost on the inside at the moment, and it's staying even though I've had the cooker on. It's just not done anything to it at all. Yeah, we'll sort it for the night, and then we'll check back in the morning. Morning. Oof, what a night, Bailey. So it's 6 o'clock in the morning, and we're getting some very strong gusts of wind. And I think I've decided I'm going to bail out at this point. I think we're clagged in anyway, so we're not going to really enjoy having breakfast. I'll sort that out when I get back down to the car. You can see it's quite iced up on the inside. I'm going to really try and pack everything up inside the tent into the rucksack, which just leaves the tent, which goes in like a burrito type pack anyway, go up top of the rucksack. Quite a disturbing night really. I think I'm pitched downhill really, so it's not helped me out. But Optimos pillars work really well though. You can packed it with my down jacket, so yeah, quite a neat thing that you can either use the bladder or you can just deflate the bladder and stuff it with things. I thought, cool idea. So that's worked out really well. So, Billy, how are you? Hey, I'll give you your breakfast. Yeah, give you your breakfast and then we'll head out. I know. I think that's it for the camp for today. Get down the hill, get to the car, get some breakfast somewhere.